Hello, Key Simpsons. Again, this is Mr. Miller with another lesson on exponents. So as we work through this lesson, you're going to want to have the notes out, lesson 6.4, and you're also going to want to have your yellow one-stop shop list of all your exponent rules so that we can use them again. Right, so just a reminder, we've talked about zero exponents equals a value of 1, that our negative exponents are reciprocals, or they flip it, or they move spots. When we multiply things with the same base, we're going to add our exponents. When we divide things with the same base, we're going to subtract our exponents. And the next one is going to be the power rule. So if I look at x to the fourth squared, when I square something, that simply means that I'm going to take x to the fourth, and then I'm going to multiply it by itself. So it's going to be x to the fourth times x to the fourth. And as we learned, when we have exponents with the same base, we're going to add our exponents together. So it's going to become 4 plus 4, which is x to the 8th. So another way that we can get that is we can get it by multiplying these exponents together and going 2 times 4 to get 8. So again, copy this rule down on your paper. When we have a power to it, and I call this a power to a power situation, we're going to multiply those exponents together to get our new exponents, in this case, which is x to the m times n. Okay, so here's some examples. I'm going to do the first one writing out the wrong way. So it's x to the fourth cubed. That means x to the fourth times x to the fourth times x to the fourth. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to give us 12. Another way we could have gotten that is just do x to the 4 times 3, which is also going to give us x to the 12. So either way, again, you see it listed here, or you see it in a power to a power situation where we multiply. In both cases, you get the same answer. Again, I'll write this one out the long way: b to the fifth times b to the fifth. We have a situation where we have this exact same base. So what we're going to do is add those together for it to become b to the 10th. Again, the other way to do it, the shortcut using the power rule, is we're going to multiply those exponents 5 times 2 and get b to the 10th there as well. Right, this one I'm not going to write out because y to the 6th to the 5th power is going to take a little bit longer. So we're going to use our rule. We have a situation where it's a power to a power. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply those together. 6 times 5, which is going to give us y to the 30th power. So at this point, you can stop the video, feel free to go back if you need to, and then move on to our next video to finish our notes.